look, what do we see? A surprise egg for you and me. Big and bright, shiny too. Let's count and learn the colors too. Tap, tap, tap the egg. What will come today? Colors, numbers, fun surprises. Hip, hip, hooray! Number one, a red egg bright, shining in the morning light. Crack it open, what a treat! Learning colors is so sweet. Number two, a blue egg round, rolling softly on the ground. Tap it gently, 1, 2, 3. What surprise will we see? Number three, a yellow egg standing tall on little legs. Crack, 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 and look inside. A happy surprise with a smile so wide. Number four, a green egg bright, sparkling in the sunny light. Count together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find out what's in store. Number five, an orange egg, bouncing softly near a peg. Tap it once and tap again. Learning numbers is our friend. Number six, a purple egg, dancing with a funny wig. Crack it open, what a day! A colorful surprise comes out to play. Number seven, a pink egg sweet, jumping to a happy beat. Count along and sing with me, numbers are so fun to see. Number eight, a brown egg round, rolling softly all around. Tap it gently, hear it say, let's learn colors every day. Number nine, a black egg bright, twinkling in the starry night. Open it and shout, yay! A fun surprise comes out to play. Number 10, a white egg clean, the prettiest egg we've ever seen. Count to 10 and sing along, learning makes us big and strong. Tap, tap, tap the eggs. Colors everywhere. Count from 1 to 10 today. Learning is fun to share. Red, blue, yellow, green, the prettiest colors we've ever seen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Learning helps our minds to thrive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's play.